everyone, back now to the vlog. If you've noticed, I'm here in Hoi An Ancient Town or Old Town. We took a grab car from our hotel in Da Nang. So if you'd like to know how much it costs us, it's about 300 to 400k for you to go here through Grab, just through Grab. So it's not as expensive as you think it would be. Now, as with our driver, he told us it's 25 kilometers from Da Nang, so it is fairly near if ever you're just going to go here through just for one day. Now I'll do a quick walkthrough as to what the old town looks like. So I'll flip the camera over for you to see and look into the sides. There's going to be quite some shopping as well, but it's very good if you'll take a couple of photos because it does have this very quaint, very old Vietnamese area vibes. So I'll just be very careful because there are motorbikes. I didn't know that you can enter via motorbikes. I initially thought you can just walk around and then just pretty much ride those carriages with bikes. But I'll just do a flick around the camera for you to see what else. There's a lot of coffee shops that you can go to also over here, and then a lot of Instagrammable places for you to take your photos. Give me a second. So as what I mentioned earlier, there are a couple of coffee shops here. Now what I notice here in Vietnam is the coffee shops are, you just sit outside and do a bit of people watching, and then just have your coconut coffee or salted coffee while you enjoy the view, and then if you see there are bikes as well that you can rent out if you want to travel here with bikes. So this is the old town. It's a fair bit of a walk for you to explore the whole town, but just one area already give you a feel as to how it is. I think there's a temple over there. I might go there later once I have my husband with me. It did drizzle a bit while we were eating breakfast. We found this very good restaurant by the entrance. It's called Caphe, and yeah, their food is really good, very tasty. So I do notice a lot of people also take a lot of photos through this bridge. There's also broth rice. I just don't know how much those cost. And yeah, I think this side is or it does have quite a lot of restaurants for you to choose from. It's also a lot of spa. I haven't tried Vietnamese massage just as yet. We'll see how it goes if I would have time, but I would really want to explore the town more. So if you notice over there, there are actually kids having their dance number. So let's go through there too. And since it drizzled a bit, the temperature is really good for you to explore. Mind that of course the road is a bit damp, but because of the rain or the slight drizzle this morning, it made the breeze much better for you to explore. Not tiring. So those are the kids. So might as well, I would just go ahead and head back because I would want to explore other sides of the streets, the inner corners that I didn't really turn to. Let me just flip the camera over again back to me. So again, I'm just walking past the bridge now, one more time to go to that cafe restaurant that we stayed in. Would have a bit of a tea before I can go ahead and there's a couple of people that are taking photos. So sorry about that. I have to stop because there's actually a group of girls that are taking photos. And you can see them over here. They're also wearing their outside. And we really made sure that we have our own outside and we don't rent out. It's better if you have yours, so the size will be perfect. Of course, it's a very good souvenir as well. So we bought our own. So pretty much I am just about to go back to Hoi An Cafe and then wait it out a bit, have a bit of tea first before we explore any of the inner streets here in ancient town. So I'll let you see the cafe once I'm there. I'll just do a bit of a walk. It's quite, I need to be very careful because there's a couple of motorbikes that are really going straight at me. So I'll just meet you there. So back now here in Hoi An Cafe. Again, guys, the food here is really good and very tasty. We really had a very good meal here. We took our brunch. So we have a, very heavy meal that would keep us going up until about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'll just go ahead and grab some tea and then I'll end this video for now, but definitely I'll put a couple of outtakes of the other streets that we'll be able to explore once we're done with our tea. So I'll see you later.